everyone. So welcome to my channel. So this channel is focused on accounting and finance subjects and topics. So today I will start with modern rules of accounting. So first we need to understand whenever we are trying to start with journal entries or understanding how to write a journal entry, we need to follow some rules that are given by accounting. So these are the modern rules of accounting which according to me are more comfortable and more preferable in comparison to the traditional rules of accounting. We also have another video where we talk about traditional rules of accounting and the various types of accounts and the rules about it. So before starting, सबसे पहले we need to understand what is a journal entry. So कोई भी transaction company करती है, organization या business करता है, तो वो कहीं तो books of accounts में लिखता होगा. So पहले क्या होता था? पहले we used to maintain registers where we used to write every entry जो भी हो रही है, we used to write in registers. But now with passage of time, everything is replicated to a computer. Okay? So, but the rules remain the same. So first we have the modern rules of accounting wherein we have 5 categories over here. One is capital, assets, liability, expenses and income. So the rule simply क्या कहता है? Debit and credit. So if there is a decrease in liability, decrease in capital, it will be debited. If there is an increase in capital, it will be credited. As simple as that. अब इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या है? मान लो हमने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया. सो इनिशियल हम एंट्री क्या करते हैं बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने पे that cash, building, furniture, etc. introduced into the business. So that is the capital introduced into the business. So initially capital was 0. Now the capital has increased to say 1 lakh rupees. So if there is an increase in capital, we will credit it. So the journal entry में हम क्या लिखते हैं? To capital account, right? Simple. So we need to memorize these rules. Only then we will be able to apply it to journal entries. Secondly, if there is an increase in an asset, it will be debited. If there is a decrease in asset, it will be credited. Say for example, cash. अगर cash हमारा increase हो रहा है, say for example, Mr. Suresh has given us cash. So in that scenario, cash is increasing. If cash is increasing, it will be debited. So cash account debit. Or we have purchased a building. So building is increasing in that scenario. So building account debit to whatever. कैसे भी आपने करिए. So मतलब क्या है? Understand here that जब हमारा एसेट बढ़ रहा है तो वो डेबिट होगा, जब हमारा एसेट कम हो रहा है तो वो क्रेडिट होगा. सिमिलरली अगर लायबिलिटी कम हो रही है तो वो डेबिट होगी, पर अगर लायबिलिटी बढ़ रही है तो वो क्रेडिट होगी. ठीक है, इसका कोई लॉजिक नहीं है कि आपने क्यों बोल दिया कि भाई एसेट कम होने पे डेबिट और एसेट कम होने पे क्रेडिट और लायबिलिटी कम होने पे डेबिट. This is a rule that is given to us by accounts, so we will accept it as it is. तो ये रूल्स हमें याद करने पड़ेंगे. Then expenses, अगर expense बढ़ रहे हैं तो वो डेबिट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल salaries, अगर हम we are paying salaries तो क्या होगा? Say salaries of rupees 10,000 is paid by Ram Limited. तो उसमें क्या होगा? Salaries account debit. क्यों? क्योंकि सैलरी बढ़ रही है as an expense. On the other hand, अगर सैलरी हमने कोई और एक्सपेंस जो कि कम हो रहा है, that will be credited. ठीक है. Similarly, income. If there is a decrease in income, it will be debited. If there is an increase in income, it will be debited. For example, sales. Sales कर रहे हैं, income generate होगी. Income generate होगी तो हमारी वो income increase हो रही है. So if it is increasing, it will be debited. तो हम कुछ भी करते हैं, हम sales to sales account लिखते हैं. That is the reason why we are doing it. So modern rules of accounting, they are very simple. Only when you remember them and you follow each and every rule and you practice them. ठीक है? So these are the modern rules of accounting. Let's understand it with the help of an illustration.